Hey, hi friends. I'm live now. So, friends, first of all, a very, very happy new year. Now we are going to enter in new year, right? That is 2024. So, wish you a very happy new year. So, this new year will brings a lot of happiness for you, and definitely, friends, I am working with a vision for all of you. Okay, that I am going to make sure that whoever is not into this IT industry should get into this IT industry. This is my vision, my friend. Okay, and I am taking a pledge. Okay, that 100%. I am going to make sure if you are not into this IT industry, if you are a fresher, if you are non-IT background, or even if you are application support engineer, production support engineer, or whoever you are, okay, my friend, or even though if you are experienced also and willing to upscale your career, I am with you. This is my new resolution I am taking for 2024, and it's not just a resolution; it's a dedication I am going to show to all of my whoever watching my channel, my friend. Okay, so definitely just it's definitely going to help you guys. Okay, and friends, because this is a live session, so I request all of you, I can see many members are joining now. Can you please introduce yourself? Just write it down your name so I can come to know your name, my friend. Okay, and first of all, whoever joined, a very happy new year to them, right? And friend, before ending up the session, there are two big announcement for you. 100% there are two big announcement which is going to blow your mind. So till now you have seen I have a playlist which is loved by everyone, and now I can see most of you are want more from that playlist. And even that is, first of all, there is a big news for there is a good news for you, that I'll just tell you that most of my I can say the members who has joined as a member, because in the live streaming session I don't get time to interact with you much, my friends. So whoever is joined my membership, few of them got selected. Okay, and soon they are going to get their offer letter, so I cannot reveal those things as of now immediately. And friends, just think of it, how much I am charging to them. I am not like other YouTubers who is charging so much of money, but I am doing it this thing as a social service. As a I am a warrior of this country, I am thinking like that. I am working with a vision, my friend. So my uh, whoever, okay, willing for a job or want to pursue a career into this IT industry, uh, hi Poonam. So hello sir, watching from Mumbai. Okay, need help to understand SC Linux as the interview point of view. Okay, so Poonam, I'll answer your question. So security enhanced Linux, there is already a playlist. Poonam, let me ping you that playlist over here, so you can go through that playlist. For the see, for interview point of view, you will not get much question from SC Linux, but from the exam certification from if I can say exam 200, that is RHCSA exam, there definitely they are going to ask you, there are something called enforcing permissive, right? So those configuration you need to do it in the SC Linux. You need to enable or disable SC Linux. Okay, so those things you need to do it. And if you want to know more about SC Linux, you can go through, I have a dedicated topic for that one in my playlist. I know I don't do very fancy things like others, my friend. Okay, I do very simple, which is as per the industry standards, which is perform in the industry. Those things only I taught to you. And even my interview question and answer are the true realistic interview question and answer, the real time interview question and answer. And now I am getting a feedback from most of you, that sir, these interview question and answer only they are going to ask. Okay, they are getting, they are those interview question and answer. When they are going for the interview, they are getting those interview question and answer. What else you want? See, I am not like a typical tutorial or teacher. My way of style is little bit different. Why? You can ask a question, Abhishek, how you can say your way of teaching is little bit different? Not little bit, or it's absolutely different. Because when I taught you something, okay, it's with example. First of all, a realistic example, a layman example, can anyone understand that interview question and answer? That is the first thing. And what is the second thing, my friend? Can anyone tell me what is the second thing? Hey, hi, Suresh. Okay. So I can see a few folks have joined. Okay, guys, you just let me your name. Okay. So, guys, I was talking about that there is something called reverse engineering. You know, you are an engineer, but I do reverse engineering. Why I do reverse engineering? When in my childhood, what I used to do is transistors, you know, right? There is something called transistors, correct? So, my elder brother used to. Easy to understand your concept. Thank you, Suresh, first of all. So, same thing I'm just giving you. If somebody is going to ask you what is reverse engineering, you'll get suddenly what is reverse. So I am going to give you a layman example. So my own example, whatever I am teaching or taught you, my friends, believe me, those are the real time scenario based things perform in the organization. Those things only I am going to tell you. Okay, because I have been working in this IT industry from past 12 years or more than that, okay, you can say, and still I am working. So you already know about that one. So I was talking about reverse engineering, my friend. What is that reverse engineering? So what reverse engineering? So my brother, what he used to do, he dismantled that transistor. Okay, and what he leave that transistor as it is. And what I used to do when I was like, I remember exactly, I was like 6 or 7 years hardly. So I used to just make that transistor back, that I'm just putting all its part into a single back it's to its original shape. That is what called reverse engineering, my friend. Okay, if somebody, you know, you, if I teach something to you, and if I come back to you and I will start asking question from you, that is what called reverse engineering, whether you have understand that topic or not. So this is what my teaching style, my friend. Most of you have asked, Abhishek, you have directly started with interview question and answer. What is the reason behind that one? There is a big reason behind that one, my friend. If I am going to ask you, hey, Suresh, where do you live? So you can immediately tell Suresh where you live in this that place. Okay, so there is a question and you are very attentive to give that answer, correct? And others who don't know also about Suresh, they want to start searching about Suresh. Means the topic or the question is the center point. Just understand the physics also, you know, centrifugal force, right? There is something called center of gravity. So your question, according to me, is the center of gravity of their entire tutorial, my friend. This is what my way of teaching is. So once I'll teach you, if once I let you know that question, 100% you are going and you are going to do a research for the answer of that topic, my friend. Anyways, I am giving you the answer with a research, and from there you'll start learning the tutorial. This is what called the teaching style, my friend, and this makes more impact in your life. Okay, and you'll never forget in your life whatever you are going to learn, my friend, believe me. And this is how I learn things in my past, and still I'm continuing the same thing. And I am spreading the same knowledge with all of you so that everyone can get success into this IT industry, my friend. That is my wish, and that is the vision I am working on. And believe me, my friend, again I am telling you, some of you might have asked, hello sir, Bangalore. Okay, thank you, Suresh. Some of you might have think that, sir, why you have started a membership? Okay, friends, if you go to the membership now, you will find how much I am charging for that. It is less than a pizza or a burger, 150 rupees. But if you going, I'm not going to pointing to someone, okay, I'm just telling, if you go to any institute, any YouTuber, they are going to charge you more than 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. But what I am going to get over here, I am getting the blessings from you, because that is the blessings I want from you guys, okay. And just share with more and more people, okay. So maximum number of our more and more people of our country will get employment out of it. This is what my vision, my friend, okay. More and more people if will get employment, automatically everyone standard of life will be from here to here. You got my point, my friend. So help each other, knowledge is all about sharing, okay. So just share with others whatever I am doing it, okay. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask me. I know, because now 2023 is going, okay, and there is a new year waiting for all of us, that is 2024. And my best wishes for all of you. Please, 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 friends, just give your kind of this kind of a support only I need it from you. And the kind of love I can see for my channel, for all of you, just keep doing the same stuff, okay. So I am the most happiest person sharing with, just share with everyone in this country, okay, so that none of the youth of this country will get unemployed, my friend, okay. Just make sure everybody should get an employment from, right, in this country, my friend. That is what our vision should be. And uh, okay, so Saru Yadav, hey, hi Saru. Thank, sorry, I did not tell your name. So if you guys see here, I get very less time. One second, Poonam, just let me give you the playlist name. So immediately you can start watching that. And that playlist, you guys, you'll believe me, this is not a fancy, it's a pure in-depth playlist. 100% you are not going to get that playlist anywhere, okay. If you don't like it, don't watch that one, straightforward. And there is no hidden charges for that one. The entire playlist is free of cost, my friend, okay. So please start watching that playlist from starting only, so you will come to know. Let me share you the first video of that one, okay. One second, Poonam. Okay, so this is the first video, Poonam. From here you are start going to get okay. So this is the playlist link. You can go through this playlist, my friend, okay. So and you can start watching the complete playlist. It has everything, except there are few topics which I still need to cover up, my friend, okay. And guys, and thank you whoever is joining from all part of India, okay, I can see. And friend, there is a good there are, as I said, there are two big news. The first thing is, anyways, in the membership, whoever is going to join my membership, you know, in the membership I am doing a complete mentorship. What is that complete mentorship I am doing? And the reason behind that, in the membership, because I get a time, my friend, okay. What is that time? The time is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I used to give to my members, to all of my members, whoever is joining, okay. And there, not only I am taking their mock interview, not also I am helping them to prepare a good resume to get shortlisted soon, okay. And also at the same time, but it's how to give interviews, I'm helping them those things also, right. So there are multiple things involved, but what is the bonus point over there? And you know how much I am charging for that one? Because see, that is something, I'm just for a namesake I'm charging. It's hardly 150 rupees, my friend, okay. So apart from that, there is no hidden charges from my side, I'm telling all of you guys. Because see, and those money also I'm helping poors, okay, whoever who don't have food and all, okay. For them only I'm trying to help them, who don't have shelter, okay. That is what my intention, my vision, okay. I'm very honest with my things. I'm not like others, okay. And I'm going to make sure in future also there is no cost involved for learning the courses, my friend. This is my pledge. I am from Mahendra Gad, Haryana. Hey, hi Saru, thank you. I want to join the membership, but before I want to complete all videos. Sure, sure, Saru, it's all it's your wish only. Whenever you think, because guys, see, and please have a patience with me, because you need to respect my time. As I said, I am a working professional. So because I have taken a place, I have taken a resolution that everybody should get a job into this IT industry, or if you are already into this IT industry, you should be able to upscale your career. So in that series, okay, in that membership, I am going to teach complete Linux, AWS, DevOps tools, everything, the actual scenario, the actual projects which has been done in our industry. Same thing I am going to replicate over here with my set of tools, my friend. Same thing only we used to do it in our organization. Okay, and final, the automation tool also. So what else you want from 150 rupees? Okay, so this is what, and that is just, again I am telling you, it's for namesake. If you are coming and joining, so that code, that complete thing means guide, means for the mentorship plus complete, it's, you can say it's a end to end mentorship, where first I'll see if you are going for an interview, you should be 100% ready for the interview, and how to update your resume, how to update in naukri.com, each and everything. You can check my videos, standard member videos which I have uploaded. Okay, once you become a member of this channel, you can go through that one. You can see also how I am teaching others, right, and how I am helping each and every member. Okay, for whoever joined my channel membership, my friend, I am working in a non IT field, sir, can I join? After, sure, 100% sure, that is what I can say. Please go through the course. And this is the first big announcement, as I said, my friend. So first thing is complete mentorship. I am going to do it if you join my membership. Second thing is, most of you, okay, there is something, I know English is something a global language, but Hindi is also our matribhasha. As I can see that most of us are requesting from all sort, means from all part of India. So this is the second, where I can explain things with an example, with a more related example. Okay, so the playlist is also going to come in Hindi, my friend. Okay, so that second and big announcement for all of my subscriber, okay, or whoever have not subscribed also, who is watching this live streaming. So guys, now the playlist is coming for you in Hindi as well. Okay, this is the biggest news I'm telling you, because I want everybody, like Suresh is telling, right? Suresh, don't worry, the playlist is already in Hindi. Same playlist will be in English and Hindi both. So everybody will get an equal opportunity, right? Because I am only working for the youth of this India, my friend. Okay, so I believe in we, right? The people of India, right? So this is what, everybody should get an equal opportunity, so that everybody should get a chance. A hi Chinni Krishna, AI is replacing most of the things end of 2023. It will affect on Linux. No, not at all, Chinni. So, Chinni, you tell me, I am going to ask you one question, Chinni. Okay. Again, Saru, before coming to your question only, Chinni, you tell me, cloud, right? So, you know, cloud is running where? We have physical data centers, correct, Chinni? And in those physical data, what are these tools, AI tools, where these tools are running? You only tell me. On top of Linux server. So you are telling me that, sir, okay, AI is going to replace the Linux server. How come, man? You are telling me you are building a house, infrastructure is what? You are putting, without putting a foundation, with the help of AI, you are, it's like that you are telling, sir, now the houses will going forward in future, the houses which we build, right, it's going to be in the air. No, not at all. So there is no technology as of now, okay, which is, or the operating system cannot be replaced by artificial intelligence tools. Tools is what, just try to understand, it's like just in your house, once you do a Linux is just your foundation. On top of that foundation, you are hosting you are hosting your, you are installing your server, means your Tomcat server, your Nginx server, and on that Tomcat or Nginx server you are installing your application. So application can be, you can automate things, my friend. Okay, artificial intelligence is what, just automating things. So you are telling now, whatever I am not promoting over here, any like Tesla car over here, okay, or you are telling Tesla car without the infrastructure, means without having the outer body, okay, or without having the engine, okay, it's, so what we are doing with the help of Chinni in just automating the Tesla car without driver, means it's replacing the person who is the manual effort, it's replacing, correct? But did the car also you have replaced? No. Linux is that only, my friend. Linux is your base, it's your foundation, where you are hosting your application. 99% of the servers are running on Linux machine, my friend, or on data center. So you are telling AI is going to replace the data center itself? How come, man? Without in, you can automate the codings, you can automate the manual effort. So the applications can be automated, okay, the work which has been done by, suppose some 10 developers are doing, so now 2 or 3 developers are doing. But Linux administrator job is not going anywhere, my friend. Only the name will change, like it's, as I said, because I came from application support. Now you can see there is huge demand of production support engineer. Who is going to run those application, my friend? You only tell me. The maintenance part who is going to do? Your production support engineer, your application support engineer. Who? Your Linux administrator is going to do that one. You got your answer, Chinni? Tell me if I am wrong. So, Saru, coming back to you, I am practicing last 3 to 4 months on Linux, and now I am 100 plus interview question answer playlist. Your teaching way is best. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Saru. Okay. So again, I'll tell. Just share with more and more people the same playlist. Okay, so that maximum of us will get benefit. I want everybody should get a job in our, the youth should get a job, at least in our country, my friend. Okay, that is what the vision and the pledge I have taken it. Okay, and this is why I'm not charging anything from all of you. And the whoever is going to join the membership, let me put the link over here. If you wish, you can join, it's your wish. And when you think that the you can finish some of my playlists, so you will be able to understand my terms, whatever I used to speak, because most of the words I speak, my friend, those are the industrial or the industrial standards, my friend. Okay, one second. Okay, you can use this link to join the membership. Okay, I know most of you are busy, but my friends, please make sure 2024 now, most of the organizations are going to start hiring soon. Okay, so please be prepared, be ready, don't miss the opportunity. You have seen in most of my video, I'm keep on explaining, just be proactive. I know these things will be for you. Most of you are very youth, okay, who is trying to get into this IT industry or trying to upscale your career. Believe me, my friend, this next 3 months is going to be very crucial for you. The market will be fully open. All of the organization is start going to hire, whether it's TCS, Infosys. Okay, most of the, and this is not I am just saying, I have seen most of the news. I used to go through the news on a daily basis. I am reading so many articles for this one organization. Even my current organization also, it's going to hire more than 15,000 software engineers, my friend. Okay, and those are experienced, but at the fresher level also they are going to hire so many engineers, my friend. Okay, so please make sure you should be ready by March, my friend, because from the March onwards, or you will be see from the mid of March only, the hiring will be very high, very, it's going to, it's it will be at its peak. It's going to be a March, April, May, like that. It will go on, my friend. So please make sure. And most of you have been asking me, sir, what is the roadmap for a DevOps engineer? What is the roadmap for a Linux administrator? And there are so many series, friends, in 2024. I am going to come up, and those series are not just a tutorial. Again, I said clearly, my way of teaching style is absolutely different from the others. I do reverse engineering. I don't do a normal set of typical teaching style. So where I am going to give you a lot of example to the layman language, to the real time examples. Okay, so you should be able to relate with your question answer, and with the topics you should be able to easily understand, my friend. Okay, so again I am telling the membership who is going to join, okay, they are going to get this complete benefit. Okay, plus there is a new playlist is going to start soon for all of whoever having difficulty to understand English. Okay, with a proper example, my friend. Okay, so you can go through that playlist also. So both the playlist will be there, Hindi playlist and English playlist, both playlist will be there, my friend. Okay, so you can ask me a question. I can see today there are very few folks have joined, because I know the 2024 is approaching soon. It's hardly, I can say, it's a 2.5 hour is left. In most of the countries like Australia and in some other countries, they have already, because they are ahead of us like 6 hours or something, so they have already started the new year celebration. But for us, okay, it's approaching soon. Okay, so a very very happy new year for all of you. Okay, may God bless all of you, and this new year will bring happiness, not only for you, for your family also, for your loved one also. This is what my wish is with all of you, my friend. Okay, so if you have any question, my friend, please ask quickly. I can answer your question. I think I have answered Chinni question, and I have answered Saru for you also. Uh, Chini, if you have any other question, and for one second, Poonam, you have one more question: how to check the running database info on the server? Okay, so for that, see, running database like Tomcat we used to check, Poonam. Same way here also, because again I'll say this forum I have keep it open for your mentor, for a career counseling kind of a stuff. So this question, once you join the membership, there you can ask. But anyways, you have asked, so I'll answer. Like ps-ef is the command to, ps command is the process, ef command is all process, e and f option we use, right? So same way how you grep a Tomcat server, ps-ef pipe grep and the Tomcat, so you will come to know what process is running from which path. The Tomcat is running from opt, it's running. Same way here also for the database also, you just check with the, because database is also a process, correct? It's a process only, right? So whether it's a JDBC, ODBC connector will be there. Okay, so which database, just check that one. With that one you can come to know. And once you know the how to check the running database or into info on the server, that is what you can do it, Poonam, for answer to this question. And at the same time, you just try to log into the database also, that also you can do it. And if the database is hosted in some other server, suppose what happened is, like Zabbix is there. Once you install Zabbix, so Zabbix web server will be in the one Linux machine, and the database will be in the other machine. And we'll try to connect the web server with the database server from the JDBC to ODBC, correct? So you can see the process is running in your master server also, in the main web server primary node. Okay, so there also with the ps command, ps-ef, and you just try to grab that particular process, you will come to know, Poonam. If suppose it is MySQL, then just run the command MySQL. Don't run database. Database is not a process, Poonam. Okay, so what you need to do is ps-e pipe grep, and you need to give what? You need to give the MySQL. And if it's a MariaDB, then mention MariaDB, like that. Okay, so there are other ways also. You can search those things, and if you want to know, learn more about that one. Anyways, my playlist is there, and if you want to if you have any doubts and queries, you can join my membership. As I said, it's not going to cost you more than a pizza or a burger, right? Hardly it's 150 rupees. Okay, and there is no hidden charges from my side. I'm very honest with the things, very straightforward person, very optimistic person. Okay, and my wish, uh, okay, I can see there is one more question. Yeah, ps-aux also you can use, Saru. Okay, difference between ps-a, both are almost same, Saru. If you do a man command also, just do a ps command and then hyphen hyphen help. So what all options you are going to get, that you are going to get with the ps command, Saru. Okay, definitely you can run these commands and you can see once, guys. Don't get confused with the things. Again, I am telling you, most of us are getting confused with the things. If you run, I can't, this is why I in the live session I cannot show you, but in the members session, where what I used to do is I can show you with the real time example also, correct? So ps command is what? Ps command is just to report a snapshot of your current process. If you do a man command also, you will come to know man and just run ps. So man stands for manual, right? So you'll come to know what all options you can use with ps command, my friend. As I said, right, with the ps hyphen ef we use, EFY we use to see every process on the system is using standard syntax. This is a standard syntax. And what Saru is telling here, to see every process on the system, BSD, binary in the format like PS, AUX, both are same only. There is no much more difference. And if you do, my friend, okay, just do a PS hyphen hyphen help also, you will come to know what all options you can use with ps. But I would say just do a man and space and ps, you will come to know what all options you can use with ps command. So both are almost same only, Saru. 1 second, guys. And at the same time, are you guys okay? Okay. So and at the same time, what I say is, please join the membership. Okay, so here the problem in this live streaming, as I can again say, I cannot show you, and the time is a very limited time. Okay, so this is why I have created a membership where I am dedicatedly, because I give so much respect to the time. Again, I'll tell, time is money, but time, you should respect the time. Okay, so that particular 1 hour, because today is Sunday, you just understand from my point of view, because I am doing a time management in a very efficient manner. Because once you start doing the time management, you learn a lot of things, my friend, in your career to manage, correct? So same thing I am telling is, because Monday after my office hour, I used to connect to all my member, I used to give them 1 hour. Okay, like Monday and then Wednesday and Friday, to solve, not only to solve their general queries, to give them complete mentorship I am doing with them. What else you want? Plus, from the new year, I have taken a place a resolution that it's not only going to be, see, that is what one of Kiran is telling, how much he is telling, it's 150 rupees only, correct? So it's nothing. I know most of you have just simply spent 150 rupees somewhere, okay, in a day. But whether you eat some chips and all, or whatever you do, okay, it's your. But if you want to learn something, my friend, it's just a process I have created. This money is just a process. Okay, it's not like that I am charging anything even out of this one. Okay, the most of the money I'm trying to help others, okay, to the poor who don't have shelter, who don't have food. Okay, for them I'm trying to do. So please, if you come to my membership program at dedicated, I have created a process over there. So there you can come and you are going to learn a hell lot of things from there. Because as I said, my experience is not stick with only one organization. Within this, it's not 12 years, I'm just telling, it's my official period of a time, my friend. But I have more than that experience, okay, genuine experience. Okay, so I have more than 15 years of experience, I can say. But officially, because once you need to show things in a paper, so in paper it's going to be 12 years, my friend. And in these 12 years of experience, I have worked with 8 organization, with I have worked with all set of tools, whichever you are going to tell the name over here. Okay, I don't know about others, what others is doing, but this is what because I am handling a big team over here for the DevOps from past 6 to 7 years. Okay, so I have a vast experience in migration, vulnerability remediation, patching, or whatever you can say. Okay, it's related to automating your infrastructure. Everything I have worked on. Even I have worked as a production support engineer, application support engineer, a Linux administrator, a VMware administrator. So I touch each and every part, okay, of this even recently from past 2 year I have started working in Python soon. So whatever the knowledge I have, I am going to share with you guys. Don't worry about that one. So have patience with me. Just start interacting with me more and more, so you will get definitely more maximum benefit out of it without investing anything. What else you want? Okay, so this is what my aim, and this is what the vision I am working for, my friend. Okay, and again, I can see now more and more people is joining now. Okay, so for all of you, a very 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 happy new year 2024, which is going to be, let me write it down, happy new year 2024. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask. You can see one of my member is also joined. If you can ask with him also. Kiran, if you want to come on camera, you can come. Wish you the same, sir. Thank you, Kiran. If you can come on camera and you can tell to these viewers, okay, what sort of a teaching style. So this is a great platform for you also, because see, the first thing is, I totally believe I am not like others. See, I have seen most of the YouTubers, what they are doing is, I don't know their strategy, okay, to bring more and more people. What they are doing is, whatever their subscriber is commenting, okay, for them, they are putting it as a display to get more and more audience. No, if your content is good, definitely subscriber or whoever is watching your channel, they will come to your channel and they can get benefit out of it. But that is their way of teaching. That's not my way of teaching. And at the same time, who is going to get success, I'm not going to see. I am just wishing that his blessings should I want his blessings, I want you guys blessings, that if suppose I have created something, and once you go through that one, and you get a job out of that one, what else I want? My life is done, my friend. Okay, and I can see one of recently only my that guy has 11 years of a gap, you will not believe. And after that also, when he called, he said, Abhishek, I am not going to call to any other, but first I'll get the job, then I am going to call you. He called me. Okay, what else you want, my friend? That is what the aim of the life. Okay, so maximum the knowledge whatever I have, I'm trying to spread all with all of you, so most of you will get benefit out of it. Only thing I just want from you, just share with more and more people this playlist. Okay, so maximum people will get benefit out of it. Okay, so Saru, happy new year. Hey, thank you, Saru. Happy new year to you as well, and happy new year. Take Chauhan, I think, can you tell me your name, Chauhan? Guys, this is what, again, few of you will ask me that, sir, what is your membership link? Sir, please create some Linux insta. Okay, Initrd. Okay, Initrd something, grub issue troubleshooting. So init ram is there. Okay, Mohit. So Mohit, there is something called Initrd, initial ram disk. It's not like init ram. Initial ram disk we used to call it. See, once, see, there are four. First thing is, your once your as soon as you turn on your system, what is the first process is going to happen? That is basic input output stream. See how I am answering, I am not, I don't remember. See, these are in me only. Okay, So these are the realistic thing. Okay, so once, as soon as you turn on your machine, your basic input output stream will start. Okay, your, and then finally your mbr will come into the place, then finally your grub will come into the place, and finally which is going to come into your kernel. But before to your kernel, before mounting the file system to your kernel, there is something called initial ram disk. It's a temporary mounting for the root file system, my friend. So the root file system, whatever the file system, it's going to mount. Before that, there is something called initial ram disk. It's a temporary stuff, just try to understand. So like that, just you just try to understand. Suppose manager will not be there. Okay, so in place of manager, we do some kind of a temporary provisioning, right? So suppose if a manager of your company went in a vacation, in that place, what you are going to run the business with a properly, correct? How you are going to run the business properly, how you are going to make sure that there is a person who is designated in place of the manager, who should run the organization or the team properly. So there is a role, or there is a assignment which you are giving to your team lead, who is going to act, or you can say acting manager, correct? Or we normally call it as a acting manager. So that acting manager here is your initial ram disk. Mohit, now you understand. Now you, in your entire career, you will not forget what is initial ram or initial init rd. That is what called initial. And the troubleshooting, you will understand definitely. There are issues related to that one I am going to put, but at the same time, yes, there is a hell lot of a thing. So obviously your query will be in pipeline, and I am going to publish a video soon for this also. Is that answer your question, Mohit? Yeah, okay, thank you. I can see BIOS, MBR, grub, kernel, init, run level. Yes, Saru, very good. Okay, so guys, this is what the real what I am trying to do in my teaching style. I'll give more, and I can see most of the tutors why they don't see. It's when you understand, I am going to make sure in all my tutorial. Okay, you can go and you can watch now also, that you will never forget that concept in your entire life. Okay, this is what the teaching style should be, correct? So it should not be only something ratification. You know, there is something called ratification. You have heard the movie Three Idiots, right? Where that they used to do, when he asked one question, right? So one guy was answering in a very, I can say, theoretical manner. So don't learn things in a theoretical manner. Try to learn things in a practical way. This is what, and in a reverse way, reverse engineering. You try to find the answer. If there is a question, definitely there is an answer behind that one, my friend. And try to find the answer. And when you try to find the answer, just not float on the top of the ocean. Try to take a deep dive on that ocean. Then you will, the entire ocean will, then you will understand the knowledge, or then you will understand the power of knowledge, my friend, after that. Okay, so this is what I can say. Is there any other question, guys? It's hardly some 15 minutes are left more, so you can ask your question. And please ask some generic question over here, because these things anyways you are going to get once you join the membership. Most of you, definitely you are going to get everything. Okay, plus in even in the my playlist, you also you are going to get this answer. This answer I have explained more in depth, because here there is a time constraint, but I am trying to give you the answer. Even you can ask the question from the DevOps side. There is a hell lot of a question. I can see nowadays everybody is become very commercial now in the DevOps point of view. They just try to put their video, but what they they don't try, they are not make sure that the audience who is sitting, they should understand what they are trying to teach. So anyways, it's their way of teaching, that is absolutely fine. But at the same time, what I can do it for you, I have already told you that now I have taken a pledge, I have taken a I have given a promise to all of you. I have taken a aim in 2024, that none of you will sit idle. Most of you is going to get the job, and who is already having a job, they should be able to upscale their career in this IT industry. That is what my promise to you guys, with at a cost of only rupees 150. Okay, there is no hidden charges in that one. Okay, so this is what. And guys, I just want from all of you, please give your same kind of a support. Share with more and more people. If you share with more and more people, we can grow this channel together. That is what. Because see, if even at the end of the day, there is also some motivation for me also, correct? If suppose if I am making a content, okay, and if I can see, I'm not telling that everybody should go and subscribe. It's their wish, whether if they feel that the content is enough and if they are able to get the job, then only they can go ahead and they can subscribe my channel. Okay, but at the same time, I'll say if they like it, they are coming, I can see, please spread with everyone. Okay, please try to share with more and more people this content, so maximum people will get subscribed to this channel, so we can grow this channel together, my friend. Okay, that is what my wish is. And again, there is a Hindi playlist is also coming for all of us. Okay, obviously there will be English playlist, there will be Hindi playlist, so it will be easier for others who is having who is having some problem with the English. I can't say they have problem with the, it's all about understanding the concept, my friend. Sometimes English, see, even for me also, because I am into this field from very long time. Okay, few things we can tell very easily in Hindi, something we can't tell in English, because English we have some restricted word. But if you talk in a native language, and in India, our native language is what? Hindi. So it's easy for others to give an example to, and make them understand what exactly I want to say over here. So it's easy. The idea behind this one is, it's not Hindi or English. My idea behind that one, everybody should learn and everybody should earn. Okay, so everybody should, whatever I am teaching them, they should understand. It's not like that you should float on the top of the ocean. You should understand the knowledge or the concept behind that one, my friend. That is what my intention is, right? Okay, Mohit, do you have any question? Saru, do you have any question? Prashant sir, we want playlist for Python for sysadmin. Sure, Prashant, those things are coming soon. Anyways, I have done a very big project recently in Python only. My current role means my current client was for that only. It's a very good project where I was using HCC cluster, Kubernetes cluster, to automate the Kubernetes cluster. I cannot say let me come up with the playlist, then you'll understand what sort of a how Python you will be easily understand after that, once the playlist will be start. But as of now, please go through the Terraform also. Again, I am telling you, Prashant. Okay, and because that we are mostly, most of the organizations are using. So anyways, I'll come, because I have done, I think, four 2 or 3 topics. No, I think 2 part only. I just need to see hardly 1 or 2 parts only, 2 or 3 parts only I have done it. So there are some other parts with a real time project. It's coming soon with the Terraform. Once I done with the Terraform, that is also we use for automation. Now the Python is also we are using for the automation. After that, Python will be coming soon with a real time project, my friend. Okay, and at the same time, as I can say, most important is first of all you, because from the March onwards, the hiring will be at its peak. Okay, so I want all of you to be ready, steady, go. Okay, get ready, steady. We used to call it, when you have to run 100 meter, right? We used to call it get right, and get set, go. So now I am setting you up. Try to understand, my again my teaching way of style is different. So first I'll bring the interview question and answer for the all set of topics, my friend, and then the tutorial will be also there with you, so you'll be easily. So first try to get the job. The answer will be the answer will be like that only, so you'll understand the topic. Even if you can go to my playlist and you can see Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. Other playlist is also there now. I have started AWS 300 plus interview question and answer, where I am not only, the answer will not only just a theoretical I am explaining, with a practical also I am explaining. So that only shows that how much effort I am putting for you guys. So you should be able to, not only the answer will be that much, so you'll be able to understand most of the topic. Okay, so this is what the teaching style is, and hopefully you guys like it. Sir, server rebooted unexpectedly, what troubleshooting steps we have to do? I have already mentioned this one. So in the var logs you can go ahead, Guru. Okay, in the var logs, because again this forum is not for interview question and answer, as I said, but since you have asked, I'm going to answer your question. So you can go in the var logs. In the d message you can see, first of all last command you run and see how many times the server got rebooted. Then you need to go in the slash var log directory, there is a d message, right? Just try to get the d message, whether it's a because of the system it got rebooted, or is there any other thing. There are some other log, ls not lspci command. Okay, d message is the logs, and there are some other logs also. You can go through my Linux playlist, there you will get the answer of this one. And in my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer also I have explained this one. So in var logs only you are going to get the actual reason that why your system is going get it rebooted. So it could be your file system also, it's not able to mount properly. Okay, because of that it got rebooted, my friend. It could be any reason. It could be your hardware, or in normally what happened is, see, normally we tell that in the grub. Okay, so when you see a run level, when you type a run level, okay, so there is a run level 0 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and right, and 6 will be there like that. So when you set a run level to reboot stage, so your system will keep on rebooting, it's in the loop of rebooting also. So if you set the parameter like that, okay, init tab is the file, slash etc init tab is the file. Just go and see that file, is there any somebody has made some changes in that file to make your system rebooted. There are multiple reasons, but the actual way to troubleshoot this one, Guru, I am not sure what is your name over here. You need to first go in the var logs, just check the logs, what is the reason behind that your system got rebooted, whether it's because of the system processes, or whether it's because of your file system, or whether it's because of some of your application, my friend. And it will also show you because of your hardware also sometimes happen. So that could be the also reason, Guru. So I think I have answered your question, Guru. Okay, so Mohit, no sir, as of now no any question. And more one more time, happy new year 2024. Good. So happy new year to all of you. Hardly 6 minutes are left, my friend. Okay. So this question you can ask me in this. I am happy to answer you whole means in that session. See, if you just come to that membership program, okay, you will come to know what sort of a knowledge I'm giving to all of my member. You will understand, my friend. Okay, because here hardly I'll get 1 hour. So yeah, this is all about. Okay, is there anything? And prepare, guys, please prepare for the DevOps also. There are whoever is experienced, I am telling you, but don't directly go for, okay, DevOps profile, because in DevOps they are asking everything. I am only taking care, I am hiring for my entire team, I can say. Okay, it's a very big team, and I am the only whole and soul of the team who is giving the end approval for is the person who is going to onboard to our team or to the client. Okay, I am only taking the last interview. In DevOps, I know there is a so much of videos are there, but none of them are giving you the correct, I can say, the right real time examples. Okay, and the interview question and answer asking, I'm not sure how many of the videos are there who can tell you that how to give interview in a DevOps, right? So in the Azure DevOps also I have worked on. Okay, and even there I have migrated the entire Jenkins pipeline from there to Azure DevOps pipeline, my friend. Okay, so those sort of a knowledge, so many things I have done within these 12 years or 14 years, you can say, and still I am doing, handling a big team. And again, a happy new year to all of you once again. My best wishes with you, your family, your loved ones. Okay, and yeah, hardly last 4 minutes is left, my friend, and wishing you a very, very, very happy new year, all of you. Hopefully, definitely, okay, just be positive all the time. Okay, this is what I my way of living a life is. Okay, try to learn, whether, see, learning should not stop. Learning should be a continuous process. Okay, like, CI/CD, we used to call it continuous integration, continuous deployment. So continuous integration is your learning. Learn everything, it's a continuous integration. And continuous deployment is learning and implementing, learning and implementing. That is what called CI/CD, my friend. When you make a pipeline, then make a pipeline, automate your daily life, means learn more and more, and try to implement the same thing when you are going for the interview, my friend. Okay, so learning should be your CI/CD pipeline. According to me, it's a continuous integration, continuous deployment. It should not stop until unless you are alive. Okay, so try to learn, that is what. And because IT industry is like that only, it's more of a, I can say, it's very abrupt. Okay, things are not stable because of it's gets updated every 6 months or like that, or a 1 year you'll get a new update or a new tool or something new. Now somebody Chini is asking, sir, AI. See, definitely things will be coming, but more and more you learn the things, you will get evolve yourself. That is what the evolution is all about, my friend. Okay, try to evolve yourself, don't restrict yourself. Okay, learning should be from anywhere, whether it's a 2 year kid, if you want to learn from a 2 year kid, or a 5 year kid, or if a 10 year kid. Okay, or if you are learning from a 70-year-old person also. So you should be a good listener rather than a speaker. So in my entire life I followed, I listen people first and then I speak. So become a good listener, then only you'll become a good speaker, my friend. Okay, a good listener is only a good speaker, according to me. So thank you guys, thank you for your time and showing up here. Even it's 31st today, I know it's most of you are busy in 31st, but thank you very much, and wishing you a happy new year 2024, all of you. Good night, Jai Hind, and bye bye, my friend. Thank you guys.